Hi everyone, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to add a secondary axis in Excel chart to display data with different scales value. So here you can see that we have the data in which we have the months, sales amount and the profit percentage. And if we want to show all this information in a single graph, then combo chart is the best option. To create this chart, first I will select this data. Then I will go to the Insert tab. I will click on this recommended chart and I will create this bar chart and click OK. Now you can see that only the sales amount is displayed, whereas the profit percentage is not shown. Actually, the scale value of the profit percentage and the sales amount is very different. Sales amount is a very big amount, whereas the profit percentage is very small amount. Therefore, it is not visible in this chart. But you can see that our legends are showing that the data contains sales amount and the profit percentage as well. If we want to display both of these information in a single chart, then this can be done with the help of the secondary axis. To add the secondary axis, I will right click on this profit and then I will click on this change series chart type, and here for the profit percentage I will change this to line. I will click on this secondary axis and click OK. Now you can see that we have both the things visible in a single graph. So this is how you can add a secondary axis to your Excel chart for better data visibility. If this video helped you, subscribe to KnowHow for more Excel tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.